I really did not want to make this video, but here we are. What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here. MacBook Pro M1 13-inch cost me around £1,300, and to be honest, it has been amazing over the past month that I have been using it. Space great, design altogether I don't mind. With the bezels, they look really nice, but I got this device and I did have a couple of problems, and I think I should talk to you about them, as if you are going to buy this machine, you should know about these problems, and it's an expensive machine and most of these problems should not be happening in the first place. So yeah, let's talk about the problems. Number one, I've noticed when using this laptop, it's normally completely silent. Apple have really done good with their M1 silicon chips. However, out of nowhere, I've noticed that the fan just suddenly spins up to maximum for like 5 seconds and turns off. I don't know whether that's supposed to happen, probably not, but hopefully Apple released a software update. It's happened like twice now that the fans have just turned up randomly. I was actually in an online lesson with Teams and Safari open, nothing else, and the fans just went up for like 5 seconds and turned off. So yeah, that happened to me. Number two, apps quitting unexpectedly. I've been using this as my daily machine for the past 1 month, as I have said, with nothing else. This has been my only machine for editing, for schoolwork, everything. And sometimes apps just quit unexpectedly. For example, when editing a video, Final Cut Pro, I will be editing, just the normal things, and out of nowhere Final Cut will freeze and close. That is definitely not supposed to happen, and it says Final Cut Pro quit unexpectedly and stuff like that. Then I just press cancel, I open it and my project is saved, it's still there. But once again, a £1,300 machine, this should not be happening. Also, some problems my friends have had is my friend Adam from Adam Reviews Tech. He also had problems such as pink screens and the MacBook restarting by itself. That's also not supposed to happen. That's what he DM'd me about. We talked about it for a bit. Hopefully this issue can also be resolved with software update, because I'm definitely sure it's nothing to do with hardware. It's all just in Apple's choice to do a software update. Apple, these little bugs do really ruin our user experience, especially since we are paying so much for these devices. So once those are fixed, then it will be no issue. The only hardware complaint I have though is lack of USB-C ports. USB-C ports are really important both for charging, data transfer, and plugging in our accessories. The lack of USB-C ports has really been annoying. I know that there have been leaks with more USB-C ports, like 4 instead of 2. But for now, if you are going to be buying a MacBook Pro, it might not seem as a hassle as I did, but you will notice the lack of USB-C ports. Another hardware complaint is the display. Nothing about the resolution or color. The display looks absolutely fine. However, when you do open the MacBook and your finger touches the edge slightly, you will be able to see the marks, and if you have oily fingers, do not touch your display. Last time I said, as I also said in the review, if you do touch your screen and smudge it with some dirty cloth, it will get very bad. I nearly had to call Apple support because I just did not know what to do. It smeared over the whole screen as if someone just got an ink pen and just did it at the screen. I really got stressed out. But yeah, the display gets dirty really easily. However, apart from that, this MacBook Pro has been the machine of my dreams. Performance is absolutely fantastic. I really like the design. The metal feels very premium. Build quality is insane. And yeah, apart from a couple of those problems, which probably can be resolved in a software issue, except for that display, but yeah, don't touch your display. And the USB-C ports, which once again you can buy a adapter for. Yeah, this MacBook Pro has been amazing apart from those problems, but those problems really need to be resolved as soon as possible. Yeah, that's been it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Saf Ashraf. Once again, this machine is a beast, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.